Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, 15 September, and the time is around 12:30 a.m. GMT. Today we're gonna be looking at the chart of AMD. Okay, this is a stock. We can see right here we have an ABC decline. This ended A as a 5 ways. We partially can see in the 4 and the 5 here. We have a B here as a ABC zigzag, and then we got a C leg, should be in a 5 waves, and ended 1 of C here. So now should be rallying to finish 2 of C, and it can find sellers right here, 78.67, $80 can fill right here and continue to go down again, right? So the rally here should fail in 3711 swing is what we usually say against 86.06. So you can see it has already broken below the previous low, suggesting the next leg lower has already started in the C leg. Now as another option here, again the key idea is not necessarily the blue box, but it is the level here, 8606. Now the rally, if it is really a 3 waves, then it should fail here and go down again, but it could be also as a double zigzag. For example, if it is a double zigzag, to give you possible scenarios, so think of this as the most aggressive view. All right, but it could be doing double zigzag like this, in which this is ending WX, and then you can have another zigzag like this, WXY, and go before finishing up with 2 here. All right, and there is also even yet another possibility in which the rally becomes a 5 ways up, 1 2 and then 3 4 5, and that 5 waves is going to be ending A of 2, and then you get B. So this 1 2 3 4 5 ending A of 2, and then you get a B, and then you get a C before going down. Now as you can see, even if I show you 3 different variations in the shorter cycle, all of them basically suggest as long as we stay below 86.06, we could see further downside again in the AMD. Alright, so that is really the idea. Now to give you even another possibility here, right, this is the 4-hour time frame, by the way, in which let's focus on, let me erase this. Let's focus on this A and B here. This is your A and B. Now to give even another wrinkle of the possibility here is that the decline starting from August 5th, right? Starting from August 5th. Now this could be counted as a 1 2 3 4 5, right? The fact that we calling A here suggests this is counted as a 5 ways, but in fact the 5 ways could have ended here, right? So you could move technically, you can see partially in the 5 here. So let me move this, let me post it here. Okay, so if this is a 5, so basically what this is saying is something like this, right? 4 3, and then you can kind of try to guess the count, something like this, but in fact it could have been like this. Now in this kind of scenario, what's gonna happen then is your rally is not just correcting this cycle. The rally is going to be correcting this entire 5 ways down, and it could potentially do a B leg. Now again, showing you the alternate doesn't mean we are calling it this way, but just showing you the alternate, right? So it could be doing this 3 rally, which is a bigger rally, to correct this entire 5 waves before going down again. So but for now the primary view is like this, right? This is the primary view. So don't get confused of the many various possibilities, right? The primary view remains to be AB 1, and now looking for 3 rally to finish 2, and then continue to go down. Alright, so that is the idea for AMD. And as always, if you want to get regular updates on stocks, ETF, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We currently have promotion for this trial, only 99 cents, nothing to lose to check our service if you are new. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.